Crocheters, and welcome back to Orbit Crochet. I'm Karen. In our last episode, in our last tutorial, we learned how to single crochet. In this one we're going to learn how to double crochet. So as you can see here, we've got a few rows of single crochet that we practiced. Now we're going to do one row of that just to remind ourselves of how to do that. So at the end of the row we chain one and turn. Then we insert our hook in the first, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through two. Insert our hook into the V, both parts of the V, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through two. Insert our hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through two. Insert our hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through two, and we go all the way along to the end of the row. I'm sure by now you've been practicing that and you have probably made some really lovely squares, no doubt. All right, lovely. So now I've come to the end, so it's, remember, go put the hook in, draw up a loop, yarn over and pull through two. So we're at the end here. Now I'm actually going to change colour, so I'm going to only do half that. I'm going to pull up my pink, I think. Okay, so I'm just going to change colour here just to show the difference in the size for you. So I'm going to chain two this time before we go into the double crochet. All right, now the reason why we're going to chain two for a double crochet is that the double crochet is a taller stitch. All right, so we do the two chains, we turn our work over, and again we're going to go into the same stitch, because a lot of the time this doesn't count unless the pattern says so. If the pattern says it counts as a stitch, as a double crochet, then you will go into the next one. But for this one, we're not going to count it, so we're going to go into the same one. So we're going to go into the same one. Yarn over first for a double crochet. We yarn over, we insert the hook, we pull up a loop, so now we have three. We yarn over again, making four, and we draw through two, leaving two on our hook. Yarn over again and pull through the next two. Okay, there we've made a double crochet and it makes this lovely little twist there. Let's do one more. Yarn over, go through, yarn over again, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through the last two, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through a loop, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two. As you can see here, let me just get myself some more yarn and move the green out of the way. Oops, not a good idea to knock the camera. There we go, let me get some more yarn. Okay, as you can see, this makes a much taller stitch to the single crochet down here. It's double the height, and that's why we had to chain 2. If we'd only chained 1, this end would be squashed down a little bit like that. Now there are some patterns that will call to that for that, but that could be to do with shaping rather than anything else. Generally you would have a chain of 2 at the end, and then you would have these lovely long double crochets. It's one of my favourite stitches. Let's keep going. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last loop. There we go. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And as you can see, that creates a really, really lovely stitch. Let's do one more row. So when you get to the end, you will chain 2, and again you will turn your work. So as you can see, on both sides it's nice and neat, and this lovely little twist. You've got this lovely twist. So we yarn over, and we're going to go into the first stitch here, the same stitch, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull up a loop with 3, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2. And then let me just get some more yarn. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. It's very similar to the single crochet, where you would insert the hook, yarn over and pull up a loop, but this time, to make it taller, we have to create that extra loop. So here we are yarning over, inserting the hook and pulling up a loop, so that we've created an extra stage, because that would have been the end of a single crochet had we not yarned over at the beginning. And to go on from here, we will go to the treble crochet or triple crochet. Now again, I'm using US terms. In the UK, this is known as the treble, but I was taught with US terms, so those are the ones I'm comfortable with. And just a little reminder, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2, and there you have a really pretty double crochet. Thank you for joining me, and don't forget to click like and subscribe and then the bell button, and you won't miss any from this little series on how to crochet. In the next tutorial we're going to work on the triple crochet. Until then, happy crocheting!